Hey there guys! Today I'm going to show you how I create my reviews slash retrospectives using Sharefactory on PS5. It's broken down into three stages: commentary, music, and video footage. You'll want to get into these stages once you've fully completed your script for the commentary on Microsoft Word or Google Docs. In my case, I used Google Docs in order to make the script for my commentary. But you then get into the commentary stage, and how this works is you first need to make a black screen. In this case, I've already made a black screen. But how you make this black screen is you take a screenshot of a black screen in a game, and then it's added to your media gallery. You can then add the black screen, and then trim the clip like this to make it larger. So this is 15 minutes, and then you clone the clip, so you now have 30 minutes of black screen footage right here. So once you've created your black screen, you then need to add a track 2, and you can then record audio. So let me record 2 test clips for you guys. Hey there guys, welcome to my video where I showcase how to create a review slash retrospective. Hey there guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my review slash retrospective properly. Okay, so I've made my 2 test clips right here. So what normally happens is with track 2 of Sharefactory, you are only limited to 20 clips. So when you're doing your commentary, if you have 20 clips, you will not be able to make more, which can be a problem when you're trying to edit out mistakes and the like. But also, trying to edit your commentary in track 2 is not recommended because track 2 is very buggy on Sharefactory. Because when you use functions like the trim clip function on these clips that take place after your first clip, you can end up getting moments where your audio is cut out on one end when you're trying to trim another end. It's weird, but I'm not going to explain it right here. Because of the fact that it's a bit awkward trying to edit your commentary on track 2 because of the 20 clip limit, whereas on track 1, you are able to add 100 clips. What I do for this editing stage at this point is whenever I need to make another clip like this, after it's made, I then check over the previous clip to make sure that the microphone doesn't sound funny, there's no sorts of static noises or bump noises, and I also try to make sure that there aren't any blunders in the commentary, like any massive blunders specifically. If there are minor blunders, don't try to edit them right now. You can leave the raw commentary as it is, but I also try to make sure that I adjust the clip volume because my Turtle Beach headset is pretty loud at 100% and it's very hard to listen to. So I reduce my audio down to 30%. It varies what volume you'll need to set these commentary clips at. But after you checked over the raw commentary and your volume is set correctly and you're only noting minor blunders in the commentary, there's no microphone problems, anything like that, you can then combine your track 1 and track 2 into a single clip by exporting them to the gallery. And let me show you an example of this. So this right here, this particular project right over here, is one I made when I successfully combined the track 1 black screen with the track 2 commentary, just the raw commentary where the minor blunders are still there. So when we go inside of here, you'll see that it's all been combined into one clip. So this is where I then edit out any blunders. I try to make sure the pacing of the commentary is fast by removing any moments where I'm breathing or inhaling or anything like that. And I also edit out the minor blunders where I end up making a mistake in the commentary, stuff like that. This is what all these splits in this single track represent. So by using the split clip function, you can then create separate clips to delete, because you're deleting the blunders. You can also use the trim clip function by adjusting the ends of the video. This is how I account for the situations where I'm inhaling and I just want the pacing of the commentary to be faster. And eventually, this will lead me to reach that 100 clip limit. So you'll see right here, I've reached the 100 clip limit. So when I try to split, it's going to tell me I can't because I've reached that project clip limit. Once again, if you've reached this limit in the track, you need to export this entire video to the gallery, and it will combine all of these individual clips into a single clip. And so then in this new project that I've made, you'll see right here all of those individual clips have been combined into one. So now I'm able to work with the other half of this commentary track right here. And so after I've corrected all the errors with the commentary and I've reached the end, I then export it again to complete it entirely. And then I move on to the music stage. So for this music stage, after you've found some music that you want to put in your retrospective, either by recording the music or by importing the music, what you'll want to do is you'll need to do the same thing that you did with the commentary, where you need to overlay a black screen. Again, the color black is very important for the commentary stage and the music stage. But you'll see right here, I have a piece of music from Resident Evil 4 OG. I then go to track 2, and then I overlay the black screen. The previous black screen that I used in the commentary, I'm now putting into track 2. And so once I export it, I'm able to create that music video that has the black screen. So it is this one right over here. So the reason why you can see the Ganado 1 theme in the thumbnail is because you can actually go to your media gallery on the PS5 homepage and add the text to it. So this is something you want to get to the habit of doing. Do not just simply name the clip. Like you can see right here, Resident Evil 4 OG Ganado 1 music. Don't just simply do that, because if your title of the video is too long, you might not know what particular video you're talking about right here. So that's why you'll just want to put something in the thumbnail. But you'll see right here, you have the music, and it's all in black. Yep, see? Exactly like that. So for the music stage, after you've applied the black screen to the pieces of music that you need, you'll want to put your music in track 1. And then for track 2, you'll need to put your commentary track here, right? And then let me just go to the actual project this time. So this right here, you can see this is the project that I've dedicated to combining the music on track 1 with the commentary in track 2. So for this particular track, I have 3 pieces of music dedicated to this commentary. And basically, when I reach the end of a sentence in a paragraph, or I'm about to change topic, I insert a natural breakpoint in the music so that there's no kind of sudden transition from this piece of music to this piece of music. And how I do this is I just apply the black screenshot. So, like, listen to this. In this pre-alpha, but this summarizes the atrocious grab designs of the Ganados. So you see right there, that was obviously a concluding sentence, and so I overlay the screenshot over the concluding remark where there's no music playing, because then it's able to transition better into the next piece of music, which is different to this piece of music right here. And I also make sure that the music volume is properly balanced with the commentary volume. So in this case, I had to increase the volume a bit with this clip to 120%. For this one, because it was pretty loud, I had to reduce it to 5%. And then this one was like 75%, so I reduced it from 100 to 75%. And you just go through your track right here, and once you reach the end, you'll just want to insert a natural breakpoint again, because obviously you're going to be transitioning into a different piece of music if you're moving on to a different part of the commentary. That's not a part of this 8-minute, 45-second clip, for instance. And so that pretty much ends the music stage of the retrospective/review. Now, for the video stage of the review/retrospective, I'm currently in the middle of that right now with this particular part of the retrospective. But on track 1, you'll want to put your video footage in. So at the start, like when you're starting a new project, you'll want to make sure you pick the video you want at the start of that clip first. Then actually put in your commentary music combination in track 2 right here. There's a lot of video footage that I've had to record for Resident Evil 4 Remake, and it's very important that you have a USB drive. I mean, the USB drive that I have, I think it's about like 2 terabytes or something, so I'm able to hold a lot of data, and that is very important because you can only save your video footage to the console storage, and if you have a USB, you can then take that video footage in your console storage and copy it over to your USB. This is important because if you have far too much video footage, Sharefactory lags like crazy, which is what I discussed before in that one community post. So I had to copy at least like 115 gigabytes worth of footage of Resident Evil 4 Remake to my USB, and I'm still recording new footage. But basically what I do is I try to make sure the video footage matches what I'm saying in the commentary, like this right here. The standard long-range grab can be interrupted with bullets and can be crouched under. So like right there, I was talking about the long-range grab that the Ganados do in this pre-alpha. So I mentioned that you can shoot them to interrupt them, and you can also crouch under it. So I try to make sure the video footage matches that part of the commentary. I also get into the habit of starting a new video clip when I start a new sentence, because a lot of reviewers do that, and I actually like it that way because it feels natural, and it's more pleasing to the viewer's eyes basically when they realize you're about to start a new sentence. So obviously they're getting a new video clip. Sometimes you don't have to do that. It's your preference really. Like this right here, I didn't do that. I combined two clips into one sentence, basically stuff like that. So sometimes I have to extend the length of the video by using the time bender feature. So I'm slowing down this particular clip right here where I'm showcasing that I'm taking damage from the full Nelson grab, which is dumb. I'm still continuing on right here. Yeah, that's just basically how that works. It's pretty self-explanatory. However, this is very important. You'll notice that black box in the top right, that's actually track 2. Sharefactory does not allow you to overlay track 1 video footage over track 2. You can only overlay track 2 over track 1. So if you want to put track 2 over track 1 just regularly, you can just use the full screen function, but obviously that doesn't suit our purposes. So the way you remove that black screen from the video is you'll need to go to Edit Track 2, PIP settings, and then set your color blend mode to exclusion. This is precisely why the black color is important, because if you're using the black color and then you apply the exclusion color blend mode, it's practically gone. You don't even know it's there. So pretty much in the samples that I've released of Resident Evil 4 Remake, there is an invisible black box in the top right corner. I mean, where the black box is doesn't matter, because of course you're excluding it anyway. However, this is something very important. Never, ever split your clip if you apply the color blend mode to it, because it's hard to explain, but I do have video footage of this happening on my channel. If you go to the first sample of my Resident Evil Village retrospective, you'll understand that there is a flickering issue where the video footage kept on stuttering and then flicking back and forth. It was literally just doing that kind of stuff, and it's because if you split a clip in track 2 that has the color blend mode enabled, sometimes when you're exporting this entire thing to the gallery, Sharefactory gets confused as to where the track 2 is supposed to be. Because of the fact that it gets confused, it displaces track 2 a lot, and so this leads into the flickering issue. Under no circumstances can you ever have a split clip in your track 2. So in the event that you do need to amend track 2, like if you feel like at this stage that it'd be very, very annoying trying to implement video footage to complement the commentary, and maybe this part of the commentary is kind of unnecessary, you can just start a new project and take the video that had your commentary and music, like right here, and just edit out the part that you feel is unnecessary within this particular project, export it to the gallery, and then take that exported clip and then apply it to track 2 of this project. That's basically how the video footage part of the retrospective works. So once all that's done, your part of the retrospective slash review is finished, and you just have to repeat the entire process again with the next parts of your retrospective. That's how that works. And again, to remove that black box right there, set your PIP setting to exclusion. There we go. So that's gone. So that's basically how the video stage works. That's how all the stages work, pretty much. It was not the best explanation, I admit. My commentary wasn't very good because I can't really like make a scripted commentary for myself to explain these stages properly. So thank you guys for watching, and you take care now.